LeapFrog Crypto here. Just a quick reminder, all the content here is purely educational, showing you how I use bots in crypto trading. This isn't financial advice, I'm simply sharing my experiences and strategies. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Happy trading! Hey everyone! In this video, I'll demonstrate the bot we set up in the previous tutorial for swing trading. The focus here is on the XLM USDT Swing Trade setup. Let's dive in. First, I'll configure the bot for launching, but I like to have my indicators I use to track liquidity set up firstly for better analysis. One of my favorites is the candle vector zone, which helps identify these juicy and profitable liquidity zones as the market maker generally always comes back to them. The bot loves this sideways up and down action, hoovering up liquidity into grid profits. I digress. This indicator from Trader's Reality highlights areas where price accelerates quickly. Here's how it works. When I enable the candle vector zone and turn off unnecessary elements like grid lines, support and resistance, you can clearly see liquidity zone. These zones show where whales have been pumping the price. For example, in a particular block of liquidity, the price consolidates, then pushes up again. Blue candles indicate the price is slowing down, often signaling a reversal. A great example. After a price push, you might observe a reversal bar forming at resistance, followed by a downward movement. To see this in action, you can switch to a 15-minute chart for a quick demo. For this walkthrough, I'll replay the price action as if we've just entered. Let's zoom in and observe liquidity on the 45-minute chart for better clarity. I'll speed up the replay to 5x so you don't have to wait too long. During the replay, you'll notice how the bot reacts when resistance is broken and flips into support. The flipped resistance turns green, indicating support. The bot starts buying again as the price retraces, preparing for the next move. This is the approach I use on futures in Pionex. I hope you found this helpful. Cheers and happy trading.